we've got the adjustments made to the Terminator. No speed limit in this class, folks. Only a 3,000 RPM max. £12,500 hot farm went back to his own trailer that is 2-4 altered farm. He calls his tractor overfueled, sponsored by Spot Oil. He will tip the distance. Overfueled, 315 at 97, 315 and 97. Seeing himself as a township patrolman down in the Mount Hope area. Been running with Tri-State and Southwest for several years. Eric Vestbox, 315 and 97 is the distance to beat. As he brings up the RPMs, builds boost on the turbocharger. This is how late this class can be. Steve Morris, 314 and 9, 314 with 9 and 0. About a finish in Shipshewana, Indiana, the Midwest Winter Nationals, the indoor pole. Last January, Jason Clucky, Richland Center. So we're going to sit back and watch with 2 tractors remaining. See if Christopher Paulbrecht okay, we're going to give him the second shot here. We'll get him reset at the sled. Seemed like the clutch grab. Now if he can get it fired back up. There, we got it fired back up for Christopher. Look at that beautiful trailer, the Aftershock 4-wheel drive Super Stock. Aftershock truck in that transport, beautiful looking trailer. Thank them for coming to Viola. Some last minute adjustments. It seemed that slipper disc clutch seemed to grab awful hard for Christopher. Members of his pit crew helping him out. Want to make sure that we can get him a trip down the track. As he's going to get another shot here, Christopher Paulbrecht. This will be his final shot. $318 and 25 is the distance to beat.